Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can cancel your Disney Plus subscription. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser or your app and tap open your Disney Plus account. So once you open your account, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the profile on the right hand side of the corner and simply go in the account section. So once you're in the account section, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply scroll down below and in the subscription bar, you can find Disney Plus Premium. So simply select it and this is your particular plan that has been activated. So there at the bottom of the page you can find an option called cancel subscription. So simply tap on it and Disney will provide you some recommendation because of which you cannot divert your mind to cancel subscription. However, as you are determined, you can simply hit the cancel subscription option and you will now have to give them reasons why you want to cancel your subscription, and after you have done that, you need to tap on a reason and hit the submit button. So once you are done with this, you will be successful in canceling your subscription plan in Disney Plus. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.